My name is Daya. I'm one of the partners in our family business, and I run the Mica store in Benoni. And then I play my part as director and CEO at LRB. We've been doing this for 44 years now. One of the things we live by is the man that owns the store, runs the store. And that delivers service and commitment, and everything else comes with a guy that's totally invested in his own business.
Mica was founded in 1983. A couple of independent hardware retail owners got together and really thought that they would be able to collaborate as a group to unlock more value to their customers in terms of pricing and product that they can source.
So we always say we have 160 MDs that run this business, but that's, like Yaku always says, that makes us unique. We get very involved in product strategies, pricing, educate members all the time about how to run businesses. The end goal of that is to satisfy our customers, have the same experience wherever they go. And this has been a great achievement for an independent group.
We've grown to 160 stores at the moment, and it's really become one of South Africa's most loved hardware brands in the country. So there's a lot of flexibility for the man who owns the store to run the store how he deems fit. Our stores are community hardware stores. Not only are they on a first-name basis with a lot of their customers and vice versa, they also get involved heavily with community initiatives.
The whole emphasis is around a common identity. And through this common identity, we can achieve a lot of things like the support of the Nelson Mandela Children's Fund.
The Nelson Mandela Children's Hospital, it's a specialist pediatric hospital. It is one of 6 on the continent. It's been proven that when children are treated in a specialist environment, it's so much better for them and their families. And what's unique about the hospital is that we are a not-for-profit organization. So the hospital in its entirety was built through donations, both locally and, of course, our international collaborators. But even on a day-to-day basis with our operations, we still very much require the support of various donors so that we can continue to provide world-class care in a world-class facility. And that's the role that corporate donors play.
Plascon is one of our founding suppliers, and there's a loyalty and a trust and relationship. I think it was a natural fit for us to embark on this initiative with Plascon because they've been such a big part of our business for so many years.
The opportunity that we got with Mica was fantastic. They challenged us to ask us, is it possible for us to make a special product for them, to sell the product, but also to use some of the proceeds to benefit children and specifically healthcare and the Nelson Mandela Children's Hospital.
Together with Plascon, we've developed a tin with an Mandela tribal design on it. It also has a Mica Proudly Local decal on it. And how the donation works is for every 20 litres of paint that our customer purchases, we donate towards the fund. And we've seen exceptional sales in this product. So we're very fortunate to be able to work with Plascon on this initiative.
I'm a pediatric neurologist and I work at Nelson Mandela Children's Hospital. I always wanted to work with children, particularly working with children with disabilities and with neurological problems.
My last born son is having seizures, and then they found brain malformation. So we came to Nelson. We got the best care here. And yeah, they made sure that my son is okay, well taken care of. Ever since he came here, he got a lot better. Yeah.
It has been a very interesting journey, an exciting one, but also one filled with good stories, but also challenging stories at times.
Dr. Pabu has been very supportive because the time my baby was still small, I didn't have any time to sleep. It was, still is, very difficult. They gave me support throughout. Till today, I can still text them anytime. Yeah. This facility makes sure that the kids get the best care.
I'm a childhood cancer survivor myself. And so for me, this is really a passion project. I spent a lot of time inside hospitals, getting tested, getting treatment. And so really, I'm passionate about seeing sick children be able to go through the healthcare system and achieve whatever dreams that they want to achieve. Our tagline, actually, is a family that's dedicated to care. And so for us, we realize it's important to include the family in the journey.
We are a multidisciplinary team. That is why we also have social workers and psychologists. We also have embraced the concept of family-centered care, meaning that from the beginning, we make sure that the family is involved in the care. The nurses work very hard, and I am responsible for making sure that the nurses are well taken care of.
Our stories aren't always happy stories, as you know, because we have very sick children, but the biggest joy for me is that the hospital actually does exist, and the hospital is continuing to thrive, and that you have so many people who are committed to supporting us.
We are extremely proud to be part of that whole process and to give something back.
When the children get better and go home, it gives me great joy.
We want to make sure that our children get the best health care, show the world that the best can come out of Africa. The best healthcare workers, the best treatment can come out of here, and that's the mark that we want to make as a hospital.